Go ahead. Say hi, ladies and gentlemen. Shy Vinny is with us today. Huh? You gonna wave? Yeah. So I have Shy Vinny with us today, and I'm on to do a really fast face. I wasn't going to do any makeup today because what is Mommy doing today? What have I been doing? Cleaning. That's what I'm doing. So the house needs some good TLC. So I'm cleaning. Vinny is hanging out, and I'm gonna do like a super fast face using like 5 products. So say hi to everybody. So while I'm doing my super fast face,
Mama, is that the meal?
it is a mirror. So when I'm doing my super fast face, Vinny is going to answer some questions. Is that right?
Right.
So Vincent, how old are you?
3.
3? Do you know when your birthday is?
At Disney World.
We will be at Disney World for your birthday, but when is it? Hi, everybody. When is it? Do you know?
Can you tell me?
February?
February.
And what is your favorite food?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. Whoa. What's your favorite color?
Purple.
Purple?
Purple.
Yeah. And
Have a sit.
you have to go ahead. Go ahead. Wait, he has to sit. He has to sit, everybody.
Like it on.
Go ahead.
Are you doing it?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Got it.
Yes. Good job. Okay.
I do it again.
Yeah, so back to where we were.
Ooh.
Look, Helena's watching. So, Vinny, what is your favorite thing to watch on TV?
Towel.
Star Wars. Who's your favorite Star Wars character?
Doorbell.
Darth Vader. What have you been dressing up like the past couple days?
A mailman.
A mailman. Then you got a mailman costume. I'm not even using foundation today. I'm putting body bronzer on my face because it's a fast face. And Helena says, hi, Vinny. You gonna say hi, Helena? Don't hide. They can't see your beautiful face. You gonna say hi? Oh, she's crying. She's crying. Okay, so Vinny, do you have any brothers or sisters?
My brother and my sister.
What are their names?
Lydia.
Livia, and what else?
Vicky.
Ricky, right. Literally just body bronzer on my
And
face.
me too.
And you too, yes. So what do you want to be when you grow up?
A mailman. And the tiger and a digger man.
A mailman, a dump truck driver, a digger man.
And a pickup truck and a car.
And drive a pickup truck and a car?
Yeah.
Whoa. They can't see you. Look in the phone. There you go. I've never heard of body bronzer on your face. Does it give any coverage or just a colored glow? It gives both. Oh, Uncle Ant's watching. Say hi. Say hi. Brittany, the body bronzer, I'll show you on my arm. It's a tinted, like lotion. It has a little bit of shimmer, and it gives really good coverage. Let me see if I can put it on my arm so you can see. Okay? See, I'll like try and cover that mole. Really. Oh, and I know, you've been waiting all freaking day. See? Vinny's really into it. See how it like gives a really light coverage? And it dries to a matte, so it's not like greasy or gross. What?
And don't go back there.
There's what?
Watch the back there.
Uncle Anthony's watching you. Okay, so back to Vinny's question and answer session while I do a very quick brow. So Vinny. Oh, wait a second. We have to wait a second. He's going to show you his new airplane. You go for it, boy. We're not going anywhere.
Who's that?
Probably Alicia. Go ahead. Go ahead. Are you going to show him? Ta-da! Pretty cool, huh? I'm just using the brow gel and the pencil, like, just to make it look like I have eyebrows. I'm not going nuts because this is all I'm doing to my face today. I'm cleaning. Okay, why? Are you scared? Are you done? Are you done talking? Vinny's done. Genius idea. I love that. Hello, Vinny. My 2 boys say hi. Oh, they love your airplane. He's just sitting on the floor next to me. No. Go ahead. Don't knock anything over. This whole thing might come crashing down. He's just crawling on the floor. That body bronzer actually made a big difference on your face. You have such a glow now. It does. It's really light. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything because it dries to like a matte, but it just gives me enough that I don't like scare the neighbors if I go outside. Like I look like a person. I don't look like a zombie with, you know, and I just put a little bit of concealer like on my trouble spots. But this is like a great look like for running out of the house or, you know, taking the kids to school in the morning. Like if you like don't have time to like get a shower like and get all ready for the day. I love our body bronzer. Yes, I love our body bronzer. Okay. Vinny's sitting on the floor cleaning his ears, so because I have the Q-tips and cotton balls and stuff, and he's just personal hygiene at his best. Yuck. Yeah, I love the body bronzers, and I'm taking way too long with these eyebrows. I really just wanted to like fill them in so they're kind of even. And all I'm putting on is mascara, and don't be mad, it's not 3D mascara, but I am, because I'm not wasting 3D mascara if I'm just like cleaning. But I am going to curl my lashes. I see. I am going to curl my lashes so I look like, you know, oh wait. Who are you talking to?
Myself.
Himself. He's talking to himself. And I might need, I'm not probably going to put any on the bottom. And seriously, without me talking, this could take 5 minutes. Hi, Monica!
Mom, I got all of them.
Okay, we're having a Q-tip party on the floor. You hear him singing? You want to sing a song for them, Vin? See, eyes look kind of awake now. I am going to highlight just a little bit because I kind of want to look like a little more put together to go clean my house. See?
A Daniel Tiger song.
Daniel Tiger, go for it, boy.
Daniel Tiger neighborhood, what do I like me? I wild Daniel Tiger neighborhood.
Yay! Good job. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not supposed to clap for him. Sorry. Oh, again? Encore. Hear Vinny singing, everybody? And then I'm just going to throw a bonbon on. Look at my hair today. It's gross. Yes.
There's Ducky too. There's Ducky too.
Sure is.
And there's Law too.
Do I kind of look more put together? Kind of. Fast face. The bonbon feels amazing. Okay, Mommy's like almost done. Are you going to get up and say goodbye? Come here.
Oh, I did. Say bye.
You hear this? He's like a three-nager. That's what I call him. He's not a teenager. He's a three-nager.
How I opened it.
Like the level of attitude.
How I opened it.
Okay, we're going to say goodbye.
How I opened it.
You can't open the fridge. It's always
No,
empty.
it's a baby fish.
Yeah, say goodbye. Goodbye. See you ladies later. Bye.